We are going to teach you how to create here unregistered with the Emirates ID or ID card copy on IR advanced machine. Go to the option, and you will go to the option, go to N on 1, and you will press this one. Should be 2 on 1, and the original size should be A5R. Okay, then press OK, and the output size will be on A4. Any cassette you can choose it. Here we can choose 1, 2, 3. So your machine has third tray is A4, so you have to select 3 tray A4, then press OK. For me only the one option is there, then press OK. When you will press here on N on 1, then close it, then go to the favorite setting. Before favorite setting you have to go to the direct option, should be 100%. Then go to favorite setting, then M1 or M2, whatever it is, it should be M1, it will be here. Go to register, then press yes and rename. I just already write the name, you can write it down. ID card copy or something like that. Press OK, then press OK and press yes. Then I will go to edit over here in the favorite setting, then go to the setting button, then go to register option, shortcut unregistered, then go to the preset ID card copy, press OK, then press OK. So when you will come to the normal mode, when you will go to the copy option, you can find ID card copy over here. So just select this one, then the same procedure which you are doing to make a copy in normal mode. If you like our shorts and videos, assign my channel and subscribe my channel and like our videos. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.